I would highly recommend this workshop. Didn't really know what to expect, as is often the case with a new program with How to Manage. Couldn't be happier with the experience here and with having the one-on-one time with Arjan, with the whole HTM sales team, which in and of itself has just been a treat. And to be in the atmosphere with the energy, I just can't say enough about how it has helped me get over a lot of my hesitations about picking up the phone for the people that didn't hire originally, and being here, and I'm sure you can hear in the background kind of the voices and the energy and the learning to make call after call and not taking it personally and just getting into that rhythm is something that I've never been able to do before successfully. And I really think this will make all the difference.
My dragon, by being here, is doing nothing but being on the line constantly 2 days straight and getting great feedback, not just from hearing other dragons, but Arjan and the other coaches, the sales team here is giving immediate feedback, helping us when we get stumped. It's also helping me as the law firm owner see how to manage a sales team, how to manage the dragon, how to give constructive feedback, how to set appropriate goals, and put the pressure on them that needs to be there to give them the incentives to grow and succeed as a dragon.